want to explain how you can take boring, tedious paperwork and automate it so you never have to do it again. Doesn't that sound fun? Okay, so let's say I have medical records and I want to share them with my spouse, my parents, somebody you love, know, and trust. Okay. And what I'm going to do is display a PDF here. All right, so look at this form here. HIPAA authorization to use and disclose health information. So let's say you go see a medical provider, a physician, and you want to share the medical information with someone you love. So this would be an example of a form that you would have to fill out. Okay. So let's work with this. So this has been downloaded onto my hard drive. I'm going to drag this over here. And this website is manus.im. And what I'm going to say here is this is a form I got to fill out all the time. And I would like for you to create a skill that will fill out forms like this for me in the future. So go ahead and take a look at it and tell me the best way to go about automating this. All right, so the tool is called Aqua. It's a lot faster than typing, okay? So I pull that over there. That's what I said. And what I like to do within Manus, a lot of times they'll have things down here that you can click on. Look at that, create skills. That's exactly what I want to do. Now, if I were to click on that, hopefully it doesn't take any of this stuff away. I'm going to click on it. There we go. Okay, look at that. So we could add a custom skill. We're going to build it with Manus. There we go. Now, a lot of these AIs have a skill creator. I'm going to paste this, and I'm going to drag that medical form back over. Hit this button. And if you are anything like me, I hate paperwork. It's more than hate. It's more like I almost can't make myself to do tedious. I mean, I guess I can, but imagine this form being like 12 pages long. That would just drive me nuts. That would probably take me 12 days to do. And I'd probably do it all on the 12th day. Okay. So it's going to look at that. And what I'm going to tell it is this PDF is just an example. It may not be this exact form every time. So what we could do is we could create a skill that knows a lot of information about you. Okay. And what I'm going to do is, so perhaps what I should do is have a lot of information about myself, like my first and last name, maybe my middle initial, my address, my phone number, my email address. I'm going to look at this form on another screen here. There's all kinds of information. And what I could say is, hey, if this is medical related, I release everything, typically if I was going to release my medical records perhaps to my wife, then I'm just going to say, hey, just release everything, let them have anything. Or if I'm going to a new doctor, I would probably want to do the same exact thing. Okay. Now I'm looking at this form and it's asking for name, phone, okay, date of birth, address, the full address, city, state, zip, and who to release it to. So I might have like let's call it a blob of information. We could create a text file that has all this information, who your family members are, what their relationship to you is, all that type of stuff. And it could know all this information. You just drop in a form and it would just fill it all out for you. Okay. I agree to release all information. I should probably paste over to you for the skill a blob of, let's say, personal information. Perhaps I should create a text file. Now, what I would do is make it a markdown file. And a markdown file is a text file, but you could put a little bit of formatting in there, and it's like really simple to do that. Who my family members are, what their relationship to me is, type stuff. Okay, now what I'll say is here. So for the skill, I just want to perhaps paste in all my personal information, attach a PDF form, and just have you fill it all out for me. So essentially for the skill, I would want to paste in a blob of information or attach the markdown file of all my personal information, attach a PDF, and the skill will take those two things and give me a filled out form that I could send, or well, I guess that's what you do. You would send the form into something or file it away for some purpose. How about that? All right. So let's read what it said up here. That's a very important clarification. Creating a skill that can handle any form, not just this one, is more complex but more powerful. To do this, skill would be able to analyze any given PDF identification fillable form as you have the information needed. Okay. So I want to answer its question. Yes. Sounds great. Okay. And something else you can do with Manus is you could go into the settings and actually provide quite a bit of whatever information you want it to know about you. So I could have all that information in here. I could use the skill, just drop over the form, whatever form I wanted, it would just fill it out for me. That'd be pretty cool. Okay, let's look at this fantastic idea. Okay. Define a standard for personal data. Yeah, that'd be good. It's actually a great idea. Okay. Build the core logic. I will write a Python script. Yeah. Write the skill instructions. Okay. This approach will create a truly reusable, powerful skill for you. Okay. The user presents a skill that fills out forms by taking a markdown file. Okay, I'll accept that. And what I'll say here is, all right, go ahead and make it so. It's my favorite Star Trek quote. You can actually watch it work by clicking on its screen. Look at that. Can you imagine being born in 19, or was it 1890? What was that? What you'll notice while Manus is working, you can move backwards and forwards. I don't see it here. Oh, there we go. See, there's a previous and next. Now, what would be nice and not having it associated with your personal details within your account is, let's say you work for a company and their boss says, hey, fill out this PDF, and what you could end up doing, you might have to look at a database or an application or a website to get that information, to copy and paste into a form that has to be filled out for that person. So there you go. It's actually good that it knows that we could be, attaching a markdown file with the information to use for that form. Fill the template out first, myinfo.md. Isn't that cool? So what happens is, if let's say there's a 10-page PDF that you got to fill out, maybe you're doing your taxes. Well, you don't have to type in your name and your address and your email and your phone and social security number, or maybe that's one that you have to add. But over time, after filling out so many documents, you just keep on adding to that markdown file, And you might be thinking, I don't want to share my info. Perhaps I don't want to share my info with AI. Well, what you could do is run a local AI. But if you look at this, this is a Python script. It isn't necessarily giving it over. You could use this without Manus. And if this particular skill needed some type of AI, then what you could do is install a local AI, large language model, whatever, to provide the AI brains behind that. Any PDF form, interactive PDFs. Okay. Now, if you get a PDF with fillable directly, fillable fields, it's going to handle that. Yeah, this is great. Okay, there you go. There's the skill. I'm going to add that to my skills. This sounds great. There's that PDF. Now let's look at all the files in this task. Look at that. So it created all this stuff. I mean, there's the skill. That almost looks like a zip file. On script, there's the skill. There is a test PDF. So let's look at this template real quick. Okay, so here's all the stuff that we type, that we provide all the details. Okay. And you just keep that in your OneDrive or your Google Drive or somewhere so it gets backed up so you never have to type this stuff in ever again. Now think about this, job applications. What you could do is we could add on to this skill to accept, let's say, our resume, and it could parse out a bunch of, it's got all your work history in there. Any forms that you filled out in the past, you could scan those and like feed it into this skill. We could expand on this skill, and it could read in all kinds of, so like if you've done taxes in the past, there's all kinds of information in there that it could read in, extract, and store for you, so you never have to type it in again. So talking about valuable, I think this is really valuable. All right. Let me know if you have any questions.